Hello guys, welcome back. Now time to working with layer style in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. Let's start. So click on new composition to create a new project, and right here like a test, set presets to HD 30 frames per second, and set the time 5 seconds, the background black. Click OK. And now let's create a new solid. Press Ctrl Y to create a new solid. Change the color like orange and click OK. Before clicking OK, let's change a little bit the color and click OK. Right here, BG. For background, click OK. Okay, and now I need to write something like test. Select all, change the color to gray dark. So let's control our titles test and a little bit bold, make huge size and move to center. Okay guys, the main point is about layer style. In layer style, you can find some effects or styles into effects and presets. Like what? Like inner shadow, outer glow, inner glow. Let's go to effects and presets. Click here, right there, inner shadow. Take a look. There we have not inner shadow. Let's find outer glow. Outer glow. We have not outer glow, inner glow in effects and presets. So these effects belongs to layer style. Select your text and go to layer, go to go to layer style and select inner shadow. Take a look. It looks like sculpting. So if you need to control, you have not layer style control into effects control. You must expand your text options and expand layer style and go to inner shadow. Then take a look. There we have options about the inner shadow style. So if you need to control the size, if you need to control choke, so control the color, opacity, and control the angle. Okay, if you need to add more style, select the text, go to layer and layer style. Take a look. There we have inner glow. Let's select inner glow and expand the inner glow. And there we can control about the softer and softness, about the mode, single color. So if you don't need to use this one, select inner glow and press delete on keyboard. So let's go to layer and layer style, select bevel and emboss. Expand bevel and emboss and control to down like this. And now you can control the size. Little bit, make thickness to 1 and control the soften. So control the angle of the light and control the depth. So let's see about other part of this style. Okay guys, if you need to edit your text, let's edit. Let's write something like what? Adobe After Effects, and let's select all. So let's press enter and move to center and backspace, select all. Let's move to center paragraph and let's change the title to looks like more bold. Let's see. Let's select this one and black, and let's change the size. Okay. And now if you need to control, go to size, right there, 0.5. And let's control the other parts. And let's control the inner shadow, select, control the angle and control the choke. And let's control the size. So let's see about the distance. Hold Control on keyboard to control slowly. Okay guys, let's select again the text and go to layer style. Take a look, there we have another options about the styles. Convert to editable styles if you need to control styles individual. So if you need to control, remove all styles, so show all. So if you need to close, so let's go back to layer, show all. This is about the all effects you edited. Press Ctrl Z to undo, and the next, let's use another one. So let's create another new composition and write the test and click here, paste. Okay, what do you need here? I need to create like a golden color for text and animated golden color. How to do this? First, select the text, change the size and move it down. Zoom out. Let's make more huge size and change the color to orange, a little bit more orange color. Let's go to layer and let's go to layer style. So if you need to create gradient overlay, just solid color for text. So if you need to create a stroke, and if you need to, okay, let's select the satin and let's control, go to expand the satin style and change the color like a more brighter color like this. Click OK, and let's change the opacity and make more a little bit darker. So control about the distance, about the size. Okay, let's change the fill to a little bit more darker. Click OK. And now if you need to animate like this, so if you need to control from here, click OK and make more small size. Let's see, opacity, and if you need to invert, and let's make animate. move your headline to 0 and stopwatch the angle. And let's go to second 2 and make a little bit animate size. Play now. Here. So for this style, you must change your text font style. Like what? So right there, style, design. Okay, and turn off a little bit, scale down the side. Let's change the font style to this one. Not bad. Let's play. And let's control. Play now. Select again your title or text. Go to layer and go to layer style. Apply. Outer glow. Close the satin style. And let's apply the outer glow. Click OK. And spray it. And change the size. So control the range, jitter style, control the gradient and soften. Select the first one, soften. Soften is looking good. Let's play now. Here's. So select your text, make animate for this one. Write it 3D and animate after second one. Double click, play now. Let's Ctrl Z, apply another one. Good. Press space for the render. Not bad. Let's create another effect for this title to looking better. Click here, write CC Light Sweep. Let's animate this effect. So from left side. So after animation, stopwatch, center option, and go to in 1 second, move the point to right side. Let's play now. Another most important point, press U or the keyframes and select the range selector for animation. Let's find right click, easies, slowly. So easies. Select these points, make easies, play now. Good. Let's press space. Let's select this option. You need to end of 5 seconds to animate the satin style like this. Let's play the final result for this title animation. Good, not bad. Okay guys, let's select your title and go to layer style. Let's see what's about stroke, how to use this one. So if you need to add a stroke for the title, select and then go to stroke style, control the color, click here, make white, make yellow, lemon color, change the size to 0.5. If you need to more, 0.5. I think the one is enough. Control the opacity of the stroke. Let's see. Good. Let's close this one. Go to text, select the background and go to layer. Let's apply the gradient overlay and go to gradient overlay. Let's see, can we control the color of the gradient? There's about the color, click here. So double click, select this point to create one color, and let's click another one. Let's select another one, click here for this one. Let's create another one and one another. There, click OK. For example, this is about how to create gradient colors. So if you need to control the opacity, click here, control the opacity. Click this one, you can control the opacity. So if you need to control the opacity of this color, click here, select, control the opacity of the bright blue. OK or cancel. For more options, control the gradient. You can expand the gradient overlay. And what about styles, radio, so angle, reflect, linear, reverse, so control the scale. And let's control the gradient and angles, so opacity and blending mode, select normal. So, but you can't add multicolor gradient from the effects and presets. So press 4, take a look. You can add up to 4 color gradient from the effects and presets. If you need to add more, 5 colors, 6 colors, you must use what? Layer style, gradient overlay. Okay guys, this was about how to add, use layer style and what is the difference between the style and effects and presets. So thank you for watching. Please leave positive reviews and write positive comments. Thanks again. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.